To the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. We saw a big pump to the upside yesterday, as we expected, up to the volume candle, which hasn't been recovered. Now it's almost recovered, and we are expecting a dump from here. So let's look at the charts. So as I said to you, we created this double top formation when we broke below 29.5k, closed a 4-hour candle below it or a 1-hour candle depending on how you trade, and then we dumped straight from there. The next step into the market maker structure was a retrace to the upside, and we had a couple of volume candles which hasn't been recovered at that point when I said to you that we could expect a pump up to at least 28.5k or 28k, somewhere in that area. I do think we could go up to 28.6k in the next move to the upside, just to grab more retail trades going long. But yesterday we created a volume candle. You see down here the PVSRA tool, big green volume candle, which indicates a lot of orders which are open and haven't been filled by the market makers, so they usually tend to recover those, at least 50% of it. And yeah, we had a little wick here, and we possibly going lower immediately. It might be so that the market maker is satisfied with this move to the upside and grabbed a lot of retail trades going long and buying Bitcoin. But we also have a bit of it left, so we could see another pump to the upside. So if you are still in your shorts, you could hold on to them. Not financial advice, none of this is financial advice, but you could do that and wait for the next drop to the downside, because we're going lower. We are just started this retrace to the downside. From, if we look at it from the bigger picture, the next move is then possibly to recover some of this volume candle to the downside, at least to 22k. That is where the orders are residing, where there's basically a lot of open orders. And then we will see another retrace to the upside, possibly recovering this section right here around 26k. And then we will have the last and final drop, could go all the way down to 17.5k. Let's see if it goes there, but that is where the money is residing at the moment. So wait for another drop to the downside. That's what we are expecting. So we could go all the way up to this high at 31.8k. If we break that, then the structure is invalidated, but it's a long way to go. So we're not expecting that at the moment. We're currently moving to the downside, as you can see here. So target to the downside, possibly down to 21.9k. In the next impulsive move to the downside, then we'll have a retrace possibly. And if we look at the news events for today, we have the non-farm employment change coming out in a couple of hours. We have the preliminary GDP, also interesting news today, and home sales as well. Yeah, we could see a recovery of the volume candle we created yesterday, or we could continue the pump to the upside. So yeah, let's wait and see. Looking at the liquidation map, yeah, a lot of people went long. As you can see, a cluster here around 26.2k. A lot of people went long. You can see here over $100 million, possibly $200 to $300 million just on Binance leverage trading going long. So we will possibly recover that. We have a cluster here at 23.6k, 22k, and also you can see here at 18, 17k, another cluster. That's where the final volume candle is residing, possibly where we could go in the impulsive move to the downside. To the upside, however, 32k, yeah, a small cluster, as you can see, not that much money, $50 million compared to what's closer to the downside. So the data suggests that we could move lower. Not financial advice. But now let's take a look at AVAX. Looking at AVAX from the bigger picture to start with, we see that we create a double top formation at the peak of the bull run, basically up to $147. Double top formation. First drop to the downside was down to $14. First retrace up to 31. Second low, second retrace, and currently we're on a third and final wave to the downside technically, since we broke this low right here, we could say that this could be a double bottom formation. However, as you can see, it's a wick. We need a solid candle close before we can call it a confirmation. We've done that here, so we could see more movement to the downside. We could finish off at possibly $7, where we create a double bottom formation up until November possibly. That's at least what I'm looking at from the bigger picture on AVAX. Zooming in a bit, we see, yeah, we have a liquidation cluster or volume candle cluster here up to $12.19. So if we get another pump for Bitcoin to the upside, we could grab at least half of this liquidity around $12, and then we could continue to the downside. That's something I'm looking at least. And yeah, to the upside, we also have, we have the next target up to $16. So it's a long way to go. So I do think we could recover some of this and then continue our move to the downside, which is at possibly $7, because that is where we could have a volume candle. Yes, on the weekly time frame we have it all the way down to $6.5, and we have one below down to $3.8 on the weekly time frame, which hasn't been recovered. So yeah, scary times ahead, or possibly lovely times ahead. If you're a smart investor, you buy at lows. Not financial advice. This was just for educational and entertainment purposes only. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe. Big Boss out.